Sharma. Welcome back to my channel PMB tutorial. In last session we have discussed the basic division of integers and the properties of integers based on division. Okay, so in today's session we are going to discuss the exercise 1.4 questions. Okay, so let's start it. First question is evaluate each of the following. Okay, so in this question you have given some parts A to I, okay, in which we have to do division, and according to the rules we have to get final result. Okay, so first part is minus 30 is divided by 10. Okay, so see here, this is negative integer and this one is positive integer. It means you are dividing a negative integer by a positive integer. So in case of, if we have one integer negative between two integers, okay, so we get an answer as negative. Okay, so we will put minus sign. Now 30 is divided by 10, so 10 3s are 30, it means the quotient will be 3. Okay, so if we divide a negative integer by a positive integer, okay, so always we get negative integer. Okay, so here the answer will be minus 3. Okay, now see second part, 50 is divided by minus 5. Now see here, first is positive, another is negative, means one integer is here negative, so answer you will get in negative. Okay, so negative sign. Now 50 divided by 5, 5 10 ja, means if you divide this 50 by 5, so you will get what? Minus 10. 5 10 ja 50. Okay, so minus 10 will be the final answer. Now see this, here both integers are negative, so you will get the answer in positive. Okay, so plus sign. Now see 36 divided by 9. So 9, as we know, 9 4s are 36. It means quotient will be, means our result will be 4, plus 4. Okay, now see here, one is negative, another is positive, so you will get an answer in negative. Okay, now here it's also 49, here also 49, means 49 1 ja 49. Okay, so answer will be yours minus 1. Okay, now see this part. Here see 30 divided by in bracket minus 2 plus 1. So in this type of question, first we will solve this part in bracket. Okay, then we will do division. So 13 as it is divided by, now see here, one is negative, another is positive, so you will do subtraction. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1, and sign will go with greater number, that is 2 here. So before answer you will write minus 1. Now see, you are dividing 13 by minus 1. One is positive, another is negative, so you will put negative sign, and you are dividing 13 by 1, so you will get the same, minus 30. Okay, now F part is 0 divided by minus 12. Okay, so as we have discussed, 0 is divided by any integer. 0 is divided by any integer except 0. In answer, in result we get 0. Okay, किसी भी नंबर से अगर आप 0 को डिवाइड करते हैं, बस वो नंबर क्या होना चाहिए? नॉन जीरो होना चाहिए, मीन्स 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, तो आपको आंसर में क्या है? 0. तो विदाउट थिंकिंग मच यू हैव टू राइट 0 डायरेक्टली. ओके, नाउ सी दिस पार्ट. Minus 31 is divided by in bracket minus 30 plus minus 1. Okay, so whenever you are given here more than one bracket, so first you have to solve the values in bracket. Okay, then we will do the division. Okay, so minus 31 you will write as it is, division sign. Now both are negative integers and you are adding them, so you will have to add the values. So 30 plus 1 is 31. Okay, and since both are negative, so you will have to put negative sign. Now see here, minus 31 is divided by minus 31, means same integer is divided by same integer. Okay, so you will get 1. minus 31 को आप क्या, both are negative, so answer will be positive integer, and 31 is divided by 31. So 31 1 ja 31, so you will get answer as +1. Okay. Now see this part. Here also two brackets present. It means you have to solve this inside the bracket. Now see here, -36 is divided by 12. Okay. So first we will do division. 36 is divided by 12. So as we know, 12 3s are 36. So your quotient will be 3 here. Now see, one is negative, another is positive. Means one is negative here. So you will get answer in negative. So -3. Okay. So inside this bracket the answer is coming -3. Now division 3. Now see here. As we know, 3 1 ja 3. So quotient will be, means result will be 1. Now 1 is negative between these two, so you will put negative sign. So your answer will be -2. Okay. Now see this part. Here dividend and divisor both are in brackets. So first we have to solve these brackets. Okay. So see here. -6 plus 5. One is negative, another is positive. So you will have to subtract the number. So 6 minus 5 is what? 1. Okay. And sign will go with greater number, that is 6 here. So -1. This division sign. Now see. -2 plus 1. 1 is negative between 2. Okay. And there is addition between these two, so you have to subtract the numbers. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1, and the sign will go with greater number, that is 2 here. So -1. Now see, -1 is divided by -1 is what? 1, because numerator and denominator part the same integer is present. Okay. So answer will come as 1. So this was your question number 1. Okay. Now question number 2 is verify that A is divided by in bracket B plus C is not equals to A is divided by B plus A is divided by C for each of the following values of A, B and C. So first part is here, A equals to 12, B is equals to -4 and C equals to 2. Okay. So there is here verification. So in verification, what you have to do, you have to check the right hand side and left hand side. Okay. If they are coming equal, it means it is verified. Here what we have to verify, both sides will come as not equal. Okay. So we will check for this value, this inequality between right hand side and left hand side. Okay. So let's check it. See, first I am taking this left hand side. Okay. So left hand side is A is divided by B plus C. Okay. Now put the values here. 12 is divided by -4 plus 2. Okay. Now see, first we will solve this bracket. So 12 is divided by -4 plus 2. One is negative, another is positive, so there will be subtraction here. So 4 minus 2 is what? 2, and the sign will go with greater number, that is 4 here. Okay, so the sign will be of minus. Now see, this is positive and this one is negative, means in between these two there is one negative integer. Okay, so answer will come as negative integer. Now divide 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12, so your answer will be -6. Okay, so of left hand side the answer is -6. Now we will check for the right hand side. So right hand side is A is divided by B plus A is divided by C. Okay, now put the values here. A is 12 divided by -4. Okay, plus A is 12 here, so 12 divided by 2. Now see here, one is positive, another is negative. Okay, between these two, one is a negative integer. So answer will come as negative integer. Now 4 3s are 12. Means if you divide this 12 by 4, you get 3. Okay, and there is negative sign, so the answer will come as negative. Okay, now see, plus 2 6 are 12, so answer will be here 6. Now see, one is negative, another is positive, so there will be subtraction here. So 6 minus 3 is what? 3, and the sign will go with greater number, that is 6 here, and before 6 is addition sign, means plus sign, so answer will be your positive. Now see here, left hand side is minus 6 and right hand side is plus 3. Both are not equal. It means left hand side is not equal to right hand side as given in the question. Okay, so this is verified. Okay, now second part is you have to verify the same. Okay, and if you have value of a minus 10 and b is equals to 1 and c equals to 1. Okay, so for these value you have to verify this inequality. Okay, now see, a is here minus 10. We are taking first left hand side, okay, this side. So a is here minus 10, that is divided by b plus c, means 1 plus 1. Okay, so minus 10 is divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so answer will be 2 5s are 10, and there is negative integer, so answer will be negative. ओके, दो में से अगर एक भी आपका इंटीजर नेगेटिव है डिवीजन में, दोनों में से अगर एक भी नेगेटिव है तो आंसर भी आपका नेगेटिव माइनस साइन के साथ आएगा. नाउ लेट्स चेक राइट हैंड साइड. a is divided by b means minus 10 is divided by 1 plus minus 10 divided by 1. Okay, so the answer will be same minus 10 plus here minus 10 is divided with same minus 10. Okay, now see here, both are negative integers and there is addition between them, so you have to do addition. 10 plus 10 what? 20, and the sign will be of negative. Now check, minus 5 is not equals to minus 20. It means left hand side is not equals to right hand side, so this is verified. Now question number 3 is fill in the blanks. Okay, so here are some divisions in which you have given some blanks, so you have to fill those blanks. Okay, now see first part, that is a 369 is divisible by an integer and you are getting in result 369. Okay, so here you have to divide 369 by an integer so that you get the result 369, means the same numerator and after division you are getting the same result. It means any number divided by 1 always get the same number. Okay, if you divide any integer by 1, okay, you will get the same integer. Okay, so same is followed here. 369, if we divide this by 1, then only we will get the same answer. Okay, now see second part, minus 75 is divided by some integer so that we are getting the result minus 1. Okay, means minus 75 को आप किससे डिवाइड करें कि आपको रिजल्ट क्या मिल रहा है? minus 1. ओके, आंसर किस में आ रहा है? नेगेटिव में. ठीक है, और नेगेटिव में आंसर तब आता है जब दोनों इंटीजर में से एक नेगेटिव हो. तो ये देखिए आप पहले से दे रखा है आपको नेगेटिव. ठीक है, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर जो डिनोमिनेटर में जो इंटीजर होगा वो कैसा होगा? पॉजिटिव होगा. राइट, अब पॉजिटिव होगा ये चीज़ तो क्लियर होगी, लेकिन कौन सा इंटीजर हो कि आपको आंसर क्या मिले? 1. तो आपको पता है उसी नंबर को आप अगर उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, किसी नंबर को अगर किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आपको 1 मिलता है. तो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा? 75. इसका मतलब minus 75 को अगर 75 से आप डिवाइड करेंगे तब आपको -1 मिलेगा. बिकॉज 75 1 जा 75, इट मीन्स द आंसर विल बी 1 and here 1 is negative, then answer will be negative. Okay, now see third part. If you want an answer in division as 1, it means you have to divide the numerator by the same denominator, so it means -206 will be here. Okay, आप जब सेम नंबर्स को मीन्स ए को अगर आप ए से डिवाइड करेंगे, मीन्स 2 को अगर आप 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तभी आपको आंसर 1 मिलेगा, या -3 को आप -3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर आपको क्या 1। मतलब न्यूमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर में पार्ट्स क्या होंगे, सेम होंगे, तो न्यूमिनेटर की इक्वल ही आपको डिवाइड करने का टू गेट एज रिजल्ट 1। ओके, नाउ सी -87 is divided by some integer so that you are getting the result 87। आपको ये चीज़ भी पता है कि किसी इंटीजर को आप जब 1 से डिवाइड करें तभी आपको वो नंबर मिलता है, ठीक है। तो ये चीज़ तो श्योर है कि 1 आएगा यहाँ पर। 87 को जब आप 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तभी आपको रिजल्ट में 87 मिलेगा, ठीक है। अब देखिए यहाँ पर रिजल्ट आपको कैसा मिल रहा है, पॉजिटिव। यहाँ पर एक इंटीजर आपका न्यूमरेटर पार्ट मतलब क्या है, नेगेटिव है। सो टू गेट द रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय -1। When both are negative integer, then only you will get the positive answer. Okay, so here -87 will be divided by -1. Okay, now see this part. Here some integer you are dividing by 1 and getting the result -87। माइनस में रिजल्ट आ रहा है, इसका मतलब दोनों में से न्यूमिनेटर या डिनोमिनेटर में से एक पार्ट आपका क्या है, माइनस है। तो ये तो पॉजिटिव आपको दे रखा है, इसका मतलब यहाँ माइनस आएगा, ठीक है। अब इस नंबर को आप 1 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, क्या मिल रहा है, तो ऐसा कब होता है जब आपको सेम रिजल्ट मिल रहा हो तो उसी से आपको डिवाइड करना पड़ता है। इसका मतलब 87 -87 को आप 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तभी आंसर आपको सेम मिलेगा -87। ओके, now see next part. Some integer is divided by 48 and you are getting -1. Result is in negative। इसका मतलब दोनों में से एक इंटीजर आपका नेगेटिव होगा, ठीक है। ये वाला इंटीजर आपका क्या पॉजिटिव दे रखा है, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर नेगेटिव का होगा, ठीक है। आंसर क्या आ रहा है, 1 आ रहा है। इसका मतलब हम न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में सेम नंबर ले रहे हैं, तो डिनोमिनेटर इज 48, इसका मतलब न्यूमिनेटर में भी वही नंबर आएगा 48। देखिए आप यहाँ पर 48 को आप 48 से डिवाइड करेंगे, आंसर 1 आएगा। सिंस 1 इज नेगेटिव सो आंसर यू आर गेटिंग नेगेटिव। ओके, नाउ सी जी पार्ट। 20 is divided by some integer so that you are getting the answer -2। ओके, -2 सबसे पहले रिजल्ट किस में दे रखा है, माइनस में दे रखा है। इसका मतलब दोनों में से न्यूमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर में से एक नेगेटिव होगा। आपको जो गिवन पार्ट है मतलब ऑलरेडी जो गिवन पार्ट है दैट इज पॉजिटिव, इट मीन्स द सेकेंड पार्ट विल बी नेगेटिव। तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, नेगेटिव साइन आएगा, ठीक है। अब देखिए 20 को किससे डिवाइड करें कि आंसर आपको 2 मिले। इसका मतलब आप 20 को 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे तभी तो 2 आंसर मिलेगा। 10 2 is 20। ओके, सो -10 विल बी देयर द आंसर। ओके, नाउ सी लास्ट पार्ट। Some integer is divided by 4 so that you are getting the answer -3। Okay, so as we know if 12 is divided by 4 then only we get 3। So one thing is clear, 12 will come here। Okay, now see the result is negative। Okay, the part denominator that you have given here that is positive, it means the numerator part will be negative। Okay, क्या दे रखा था आपको, किसी नंबर को आपको किसी इंटीजर को 4 से डिवाइड करना था, आंसर क्या आ रहा है -3। तो अभी आप साइन को छोड़ दीजिए, सिर्फ अभी हम नंबर्स की बात कर रहे हैं। तो किस नंबर को आप 4 से डिवाइड करें कि आंसर 3 मिले, तो हमें मालूम है 3 टाइम्स आप 4 का 3 टाइम कितना होता है, 12 होता है। मीन्स 12 को आप 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ही आपको 3 मिलेगा, ठीक है। तो इसका मतलब एक चीज़ क्लियर होगी कि नंबर क्या है, यहाँ पर 12 है। अब आंसर आपका किस में आ रहा है, नेगेटिव का। तो डिवीजन के केस में नेगेटिव साइन कब पॉसिबल है, जब दोनों इंटीजर में से एक नेगेटिव हो। तो पहले जो आपको 4 दे रखा है दैट इज पॉजिटिव, इट मीन्स द न्यूमरेटर पार्ट विल बी नेगेटिव। ओके, सो -12 विल बी इट्स आंसर। ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट फॉर टुडे सेशन इन विच वी हैव डिस्कस्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 3 of exercise 1.4, right? And if you have any query, doubt related to today's session, please ask me on comment section। Okay, and in my next upcoming session we will discuss further next questions of the same exercise 1.4। Okay, till then keep watching my channel. Thank you।